Experiment number one is design analysis of inverting and non-inverting amplifier using OPA. The first one is inverting amplifier. The aim of the inverting amplifier is to design an inverting amplifier for the given specification using OPA PAMP IC741. The apparatus requires a function generator, CRO, dual RPS, OPAMP, breadboard, resistor, connection wires, and probes. The theory is the input signal V1 is applied to the inverting input terminal through R1 and non-inverting input terminal of the op-amp is grounded. The output voltage V0 is fed back to the inverting input terminal through RF minus R1 network, where RF is the feedback resistor. The V is to do is by 1, where the negative sign indicates the output voltage is 180 out of the phase with the input signal. Because in the output voltage is saturated if it exceeds plus or minus 15 volt. So here we can see the pin diagram. This is the pin diagram. When it comes to pin diagram, there are 8 pins. First is offset null. Second, inverting input, non-inverting input for minus VCC with the offset null, 6 output voltage, and first VCC, and it is no connection. So we can see the circuit diagram is this is the circuit diagram for the inverting amplifier. So this is the design. When we want to calculate observation, we want to find the amplitude and time period. We want to there is input and output. This is the model graph for the inverting amplifier. The result for this is the design and testing of the inverting amplifier is done by input and output voltage were drawn. So when it comes to non-inverting amplifier, the aim is to design a non-inverting amplifier for the given specification using OMP-amp IC741. The apparatus requires function generator, CRO, dual RPS, OP-amp, breadboard, resistor, connection wires, and probe. The theory for this is the input signal V1 is applied to the non-inverting input terminal of the OP-amp. The circuit amplifies the signal without inverting the input signal. It is also called a negative feedback system since the output is fed back to the inverting input terminal. The differential voltage with the inverting input terminal, the OP-amp is zero idly, and the output voltage is V1 is VACY V1. This is the procedure, and this pin diagram is same of the inverting one. So when we come to the non-inverting amplifier circuit diagram, this is the circuit diagram. Here we can see the design. So the operation is same as like the inverting one. Here we can see the model graph for the non-inverting amplifier. So the result is the design and the testing of the non-inverting amplifier is done and the input output results are gone. Thank you.